So, it seems like these last few episodes is the best episode out of this series by far. It seems like Basra was fighting that guy who wanted to be the new demon lord because he wanted to take Mio power and Basra power to become the most powerful demon lord. So, because of that now, he was fighting Basra. And because he was fighting Basra now, Basra was barely keeping up with him. That's how weak Basra is. So, because of that, he almost killed Basra. So, Basra was using the vanishing shift and a whole lot of things until the guy knocked him out or put it under mind control. And Mio, he showed Mio a picture of what he did to Maria's mother. But it seemed like because of that now, Mio remember everything he do to her foster parents. So because of that, Mio went into berserk mode. But it seemed like she learned how to control it now. She was saying that everything she do, this power of her right now is to kill him. So because of that, he lose an arm. So Basra have to come and stop her from killing him because he was saying that if she kill him, she's gonna remember that she killed him when she get her revenge. And after she get her revenge now, she's still gonna remember. Now, you see like the Maria mother, the one that that guy killed, wasn't actually her mother. It was Basra nemesis or frenemy. It's a Basra frenemy clone. See, like he's a puppet master. So because it was a puppet, the guy thought that he killed Maria's mother. Now, it seemed like he and Basra made a deal. Because I was asking myself, why did he help Basra out? For what reason? Are they frenemies or are they friends? So the only reason why he helped Basra was because he wanted to kill that guy himself. Because he was saying that that guy killed the person who raised him. They was like a brother and sister to him. So because of that, he wanted to kill him himself. So the guy brings a dangerous creature from demon world. That it seemed like the creature feed off the life energy. Well, it seemed like because it was in the demon world didn't have life energy. So because of that, he was saying that that was his insurance. Because if he died, that monster is going to be released. So Basra, Mio, and Yuki went to the center. Was going to the center of the monster to destroy it. So as I was saying, it was a good episode because when we reached in the last 3 episodes of the series, it was getting better. So I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. Subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment box if you feel like it. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.